So as my son has gotten older, he has totally reinvigorated my interest and hobby in a well-known 1/64th series of die-cast cars, popularly known as Hot Wheels. Some people like Matchbox, but I prefer Hot Wheels myself. I used to be super into these when I was younger, and even through high school and college, and then kind of just, lost interest in them. But obviously, having a son now and building little trucks with him, it has totally been a lot more exciting to go hunt, collect these, and play with them with him. So this is the box that we've accumulated over the past, I'd say, year and a half, and we've made it quite a habit now of every time we go out to the store, whether it be Target, Walmart, or the grocery store, to stop by the Hot Wheels section and at least grab a few cars that look interesting to us. So we've accumulated quite the collection. We even get some from these little vendors that sell them at the local Cars and Coffee, and I've collected a few myself from my personal interest. We got the Singer 21C just because of my affiliation with this company at work. The Koenigsegg's because I love Koenigsegg. I love the Cadillac Le Mans style car. And then this one was super cool. A original 2001 Lamborghini Murcielago, still in the original packaging. Paid 20 bucks for this. And then some Corvettes that my wife gave both my son and I, the same ones at Christmas. This was his very first Christmas, and this is the second one. So yeah, it's been quite a fun journey collecting all these Hot Wheels now, all different kinds of cars. See, this is one of mine from high school, Lamborghini Aventador, college, and a bunch. So, over the time of collecting these, it's kind of cool to either have some mounted up on the wall as like a display, or I've even liked kind of putting them on my desk at work, just as like a cool little desk ornament, if you will. And so I thought, like, what's a cool way to display these cars, to kind of show them off a little bit, or maybe even I've done this as gifts for friends. And so I had a great idea for a little product that I'm going to sell on my Etsy store that I'm going to show you guys today. So back in high school, I had a whole garage diorama set up with my 1/18th scale model cars that was kind of like a shop with car lift and everything. I think I might have a video on it on my YouTube channel from way back in the day. If I do, I'll throw a clip in here. But I was like thinking, what's a fun little way to display these Hot Wheels cars, either on a desk, on a shelf, or things like that. And so obviously, being the person I am that loves design and 3D printing for all the stuff I do at home and for work, I was like, let's make a little, setup that someone can, purchase either for themselves or for a friend or family member for a gift, and have them display their Hot Wheels collection either on their desk or in their office or wherever. So I had the idea, and I designed, it's pretty simple in nature, but designed these kind of base plates that are like the shop floor, so to speak. And then, I wanted to kind of mimic what it looks like to have like a car lift, with the cars kind of mounted up on there and displayed. So I'm gonna go ahead and set all these up right now, and I'll time lapse through it so you guys don't have to bear through watching me set all these up, and then I will talk about the details in terms of how you can purchase a set for yourself or someone you're maybe looking to buy a gift for. Alright, so here are all the different options that you can purchase from the 3D printed Hot Wheels garage diorama sets that I've got for sale on my Etsy store. So I'm going to go into the details on which one is which and how you can go about purchasing those in different packages and things like that. So there's really two main base plate styles. There's a 3-post lift, so that gives you room to fit 6 cars, one on each lift and one below each lift. And then there's a 2-post lift, So you can fit 4 cars, one on each lift and one below each lift. So for the 3-post lift styles, there is a left version and a right version. So on the left version, the leftmost lift is angled out, and the right version, the rightmost lift is angled out. And then of course we have the center one with just 2 straight lifts. And so your options to purchase any number of these are as follows. You can either buy the 3-post angled left lift by itself, the 3-post angled right lift by itself, the center lift by itself, or you can buy the 2 3-post lift options, so the left and the right together. So that gives you the option to store 12 cars. Or you can buy all 3, so that gives you the option to store up to about 16 cars. You might be able to squeeze a few more in, you know, depending on the size of them and things like that. So yeah, so that's all the different options that you'll have on my Etsy store to purchase these. The prices will be reflected accordingly based on, you know, how many things you're optioning. Obviously the 3-post one is a little bit more than the 2-post one, so on and so forth. So quick disclaimer, these will not ship with any Hot Wheels cars. It will show Hot Wheels cars in the pictures on the listing, but I will be very clear that these do not include any cars. You are just going to get the base plate and then the number of pieces to build out all of the lifts. So just wanted to be clear on that, but I think it's pretty cool. This is a pretty awesome setup. You can see here, you can arrange it a number of ways. You can get cars on top of the lifts. You can have them go below, like in between, like this, so on and so forth. I try to size these so that they would fit a wide range of Hot Wheels cars. You can see the lifts are pretty wide compared to the car itself. Even this like larger pet bus that my son wanted to get one time, but they can't fit every Hot Wheels car imaginable. For instance, the lifts are not tall enough for this bus to go underneath. So if you want to put this bus on, it either has to sit in front of a lift like this or on top of it. So it can't go underneath. So just be mindful of that. I tried to size it for 80% of the Hot Wheels cars out there based on the numbers that the ones that I randomly selected from our box, but might not be able to fit every single one. So looking at these in a little bit more detail, so what do you get when you buy one of these? So you're going to go ahead and you're going to get one of the base plates. So you will get something like this. So this is the base plate, and it has all of the mounting features for the different lifts, depending on if you buy the left, center, or the right one. And then depending on the number of lifts that the base plate you purchased has included, you will get the corresponding number of these blue lift posts. So I kind of designed them to look like the kind of traditional bend pack style 2-post car lift that you'll see in a lot of different automotive shops around the world. And then on top of the little blue vertical posts, they're designed to go in a certain way, so the innermost part is totally flat. I'll have that in a brief instruction assembly manual when you purchase one of these, so that'll be printed and shipped with it. But these, the little flared kind of filleted edges, face out to give you the most room to fit a car in between. And then you get your lift platform. So this is that yellow piece, and then it literally just slides on top of this, and it's all a snap fit. It is not designed to, I mean, you can glue it together, but you don't need to glue it in order to have it to, you know, sit just like this, and it's not going to come apart. It's pretty snug, it's not loose. So for being a static display thing on a desk or a shelf, I think this will do just fine. So yeah, it's pretty cool. You just quickly, you know, assemble this in a few minutes here. Put your lift posts on, and then your lift platforms is, I guess, what I'm going to call them. So these yellow pieces, I was going to design them so that they looked like the traditional like V mount, or like a kind of like 2 prongs like that, but it was just going to be harder to get them to sit nice and level relative to each other, so I just designed it as one piece that totally connects both sides together like such, like that. So yeah, then once you get all these pieces together, you can just pick whatever Hot Wheels cars you want, and then you got a nice little display for your desk, your office, your kids' rooms, wherever you see fit. I gifted a few of these to some of my family members and friends over the Christmas season, and I kind of personalized the Hot Wheels cars I got them based on their interests, and they seem to have really loved it. So I don't know, I just thought this was a nifty little idea to just design something real quick and give someone a cool way to display their Hot Wheels cars. This is made from an ASA polymer, so it's a very durable, it's actually an automotive grade polymer that I use on my actual Corvette. So this stuff is not going to warp or distort if left in a hot car. If you, for whatever reason, want to display this car stand inside your car or just leave it in there while you're, you know, shipping it and things like that. So it's a fun little gift that you can get either for yourself. I know I am going to have a whole row set up on a shelf, both in my home office here and at work, with some of my favorite Hot Wheels cars. Alright everyone, that's going to do it for this video. I just wanted to share this new little product that I thought would be a cool gift idea, either for yourself or a family member or a friend. Just, you know, I don't know, car guys love having little things like this. I would imagine some people go crazy with these setups. This is pretty basic, nothing too intricate or detailed, but just a little something. It's color coordinated with kind of real life car lifts and things like that. That just, I don't know, I think it's a pretty cool way to display your collection of Hot Wheels cars. You can rotate them in and out. You can keep buying more to just keep adding to this. I think that's a fun way to display your little collection there. So again, these are going to be linked. The listing will be live by the time this video is posted, so the listing for this will be linked in the description and in a pinned comment. If you're going to buy this, again, please know that these do not come with any Hot Wheels cars, and that if you want the full set like this, all three together, please select that. If you only want the center one, please select that, the left or the right one, so on and so forth. So just make sure you select the right combo based on which one you want. So thanks everyone for watching, appreciate it, appreciate you supporting the channel, and other than that guys, I'll see you in the next one.